Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, today I am going to show the video tutorial of HP Neverstop Laser Printer 104A cartridge refill. So today I am going to show you how to refill HP 104A or W1104A printer cartridge. And this cartridge goes on HP 100 printer. So today I am going to show you how to refill it. To refill, you have to open these two screws which is situated on the right hand side. I am going to show you. Now after opening this cover, you can see a place, this hole. You have to open this hole. Now you have to put the toner in this hole. You can put the SP35A toner. It's a big cartridge, so you can refill 2 or 3 bottles at once, but now I am going to refill only one bottle. Okay. After refilling, cover this hole and put this cover back, then tight the screw. So simply by this way you can refill the SP 104A cartridge. Thanks for watching. So if you are new in this channel, please subscribe for more updates. Keep watching, keep subscribed. Okay, bye bye, have a nice day.